Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
All right, well, hey you guys, it's an exciting day. It's my first full day of working from home for this new company and starting my new job. I actually already just got off my first Zoom call of the day. For any of you that are new here, my name is Veronica. I'm a recent graduate of Marquette University. In college, I studied biomedical sciences and business administration, and I'm now starting a new job where I am in a sales role. Currently working from home during my training process, but eventually come spring I am going to be going into the office for this work. But so far so good. I've only had one Zoom call so far today. I'm on my lunch break right now. I changed into the sweater because I was feeling cold and I don't have to go on my next Zoom call until 2, which is in a few hours, and I want to run an errand to the post office since I have to drop off another Poshmark package. But I'm gonna eat this leftover buckwheat and kale and carrot. We made it for dinner a few nights ago, so I'm just finishing the rest. Today's the first full day and I was too excited. This is too funny. So my next Zoom call is in half an hour. I was just on the phone with my manager talking about how I was supposed to also receive an iPad, and it was weird that it had not showed up. I hang up the phone, I put it down, and within 2 minutes my doorbell rang. And it was the FedEx guy with my package. I'm assuming this is the iPad. I feel so fancy. Look at this thing. It's huge. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. All right, so it's almost 5 o'clock now, and I just kind of signed off my computer. I was going to start on dinner for my family since we usually eat together, but I just figured before this vlog keeps going, I just wanted to put this little disclaimer in this video that I'm sure you guys are all going to be questioning away. What company do you work for? Why aren't you telling us? And I just want to keep the company's privacy and keep the separation between my work there and what I'm doing here on YouTube. But anyways, now that I got that out of the way, I'm gonna go to Jewel. My car was telling me that it's 26 degrees outside, but I simply don't believe that. It feels so much colder. I'm at Jewel right now though, and the sunset is just beautiful. Morning, you guys. It's currently Tuesday. I have my first call of the day in 10 minutes, and this is a call where I'm actually gonna be able to chat with the team that I'm gonna be closely working with at my location once I go into the office. Last night I just ended up watching the Olympics with my parents after we had dinner, since those are going on right now. And this morning when I woke up and my alarm was going off, I definitely had the realization hit me of, oh my gosh, this is the rest of my life for the foreseeable future. Waking up at 7 a.m. or I'll have to wake up even earlier once I start going to the office, but yeah. Just a rude awakening today, but I'm gonna log onto my computer, make sure I'm ready for the Zoom call. Okay, hello. I'm on my lunch break right now, snacking on some popcorn while I think about what I want to make for my meal. But since I've been inside all day, I'm thinking after I eat, I'm gonna go like walk around my neighborhood for like 15 or 20 minutes.
So hard to find there on your own. Just passing through, just passing time.
I'm really glad I did that. That was much needed. And my cheeks, I don't know if you can tell, are very chilly and feeling very rosy right now. So it's currently 2:30. I started my lunch at like 1:30. While I was on my walk though, I did decide to sign up for a 6:30 yoga class tonight. Was it 6:30 or was it 6? Ooh, it's at 6. I'm still gonna go though. If you guys watched my second to last vlog that I posted, I think I talked about how much I dislike the type of hot yoga that this studio I go to does, but I already paid for like a whole month of classes, so I'm still going just to take advantage of it, even though it's not my favorite.
My love is waiting.
I think I just got out of hot yoga, but I think I liked that class. What is going on? This is literally my 8th hot yoga class at the studio, and I hated all 7 other classes, but there was something about today's class that, I don't know, I just felt like, obviously I had a better understanding of the poses, but I don't know. I think I enjoyed it. I'm so confused. I don't know what to feel anymore, you guys. Hey guys, it's currently Wednesday. I just started my lunch break. I only had one meeting this morning at 8:30, and then for the rest of the day I just have, again, a full list of trainings that I have to do. But Dunkin' is currently doing this thing in Illinois and probably some other states. You literally just have to like order a medium hot or iced coffee, and it's free if you like scan your Dunkin' app. So although I did have a coffee with my bagel for breakfast this morning, I am gonna drive to the Dunkin' drive-thru and get a caramel iced coffee. And it's also right by our library, and I was notified that I have a book that I put on hold available for pickup. So I'm gonna go get that. I don't know when I'm gonna have time to read the book that I'm picking up, because I have so many other books on my TBR that are just piling up. Like I just got so excited about reading in the month of January that I like put so many things on hold, and they all became available like way sooner than I was anticipating. But anyways, I'm gonna head over there, and then once I get back home, I'll figure out something to make for lunch. I'm kind of in the mood for a salad, but I don't know if we have like lettuce for that. Call mom.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Did you leave me a salad in the fridge?
Yeah, you can take it.
What do you mean I can take it? Is it not for me?
No, it's one extra. It's for you.
All right, I'm gonna eat it then. Thank you.
Okay. Love you. Bye.
Love you, bye. Score. Oh my gosh, that Dunkin' drive-thru was so fast. I didn't even have time to vlog. This is the second time I've interacted with that specific Dunkin' employee though, and he is always so nice.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why.
I really need to work on getting a car tripod for my vlog camera, because I owned one at some point. Like, it existed, but I either must have broken it or thrown it away or just simply lost it because I looked everywhere for that thing and I can't find it. But just got my book from the library, Cultish, The Language of Fantasism by Amanda Montell. I really wanted to like listen to this in an audiobook format, but I guess I just got the physical book. I guess I just got the physical book faster. The short description is that the author of the widely praised Word Slut analyzes the social science of cult influence, how cultish groups from Jonestown and Scientologists to SoulCycle and social media gurus use language as the ultimate form of power. And so, I don't know, I just saw it on Goodreads, it looked really good, so hopefully I have time to get around to this, especially since it looks like my library actually got it from a library in Flossmoor, Illinois. Okay, but I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna eat my salad, and then get back to work.
My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving you.
All right, currently almost 6 p.m. I changed into a sweatshirt. Finishing a little later today than I did the 2 previous days, but that's also because I took a little break right before sunset to go take a walk around the neighborhood again. The content that I had to learn today just got like a lot more dense and there was a lot more of it. So I just kind of felt like weighed down, and the fresh air was really like the little kick I needed to get through my final 2 session things. I don't know what to call them. Anyways, I'll cover up this, but tomorrow on Thursday, I have nothing scheduled. So I have the entire day to myself to just do all of my learning. But anyways, my dad just got home a bit ago and I heard him starting to make dinner downstairs. So I'm gonna go check in, see how his day was, probably hang out for a little bit. And then my big plans for the night are to hopefully finish The Silent Patient on my Kindle, and then maybe I'll edit a YouTube video. Okay, hi, hello. It's currently 11:30 and I am taking my lunch break, but I need to make soup so that my family can eat that for dinner tonight, and we have no potatoes in our house. So once again, I'm going to Jewelosco, which means I need to change out of my like sweatshirt and pajama pants since I don't have any meetings today, so I did not attempt to dress up whatsoever. I am determined to make this the fastest grocery trip ever. Thankfully the Jewel is only like 5 minutes from our house. Soup is simmering away on the stove, so I brought my computer and iPad down here and I'm gonna keep working my way through my trainings. It's 5 o'clock, I'm done for the day. The afternoon slump hit me so hard today. I was this close to falling asleep, but I had the second half of my Dunkin' coffee from yesterday in the fridge, so, well, I really shouldn't be finishing it now, but I am. I don't want to do this because of how tired I feel, but I signed myself up for a 6:30 hot Pilates class. I know that I'm gonna feel great afterwards, but like, ugh, I'm dreading it. just got out of hot Pilates and my hair looks awful, which I think just truly showcases how intense that class was, but like intense in a good way. I am glad that I went, even though I was dreading it earlier. Okay, it is almost 11 p.m. starting to read A Court of Thorns and Roses. I'm honestly shocked that it has taken me this long to get around to this book. I think though that I am going to end the vlog off here. I know I still have a full day of the week tomorrow, but I just feel like it won't be very different from what I've filmed already. And I haven't started editing this video yet, but I do know that it is probably going to be really long, and that is just going to make editing so much more difficult. So I'm wrapping it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my work week in my life, my first week at my new job. I'm liking it so far, and I have a few more weeks of working from home ahead of me, and then I'll start going into the office. So I'm just gonna say now that I appreciate you all bearing with me as I figure out how to balance YouTube and this new role in my life. But that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!